Alright guys, we're outside Elusive Racing here. They're having a little car meet, so let's go check out some cars.
Okay, so here we are out on the street. Plenty of cars that turned up to the car meet. Plenty of Hondas, as you can see. Plenty of Hondas with engine conversions, as you can see with this EK with the K20 here. So Elusive Racing, pretty much the biggest Honda workshop in Melbourne and possibly Australia. Here's a nice little black EG with an engine conversion. This one, best engine bay on the day. So as you can see, well deserved, wire tucked, pretty clean. And then we got this turbocharged EP3 here with a Garrett turbo. So this thing was looking pretty tough. I'm not too sure how much power that made. And then we got this DC2 here. This one, best street car. So once again, turbocharged, black piping, yeah, sleeper. And then we got a couple of track cars here. And now we're gonna head into the workshop. And here's the workshop, nice and clean, pretty impressive. This is their DC2 Time Attack car that they use here in Australia for World Time Attack Challenge. So it's a turbocharged K24, all the goodies, dry sump, turbocharged. So yeah, they actually took this car to the Circuit of Americas, but unfortunately had a couple of gearbox issues, so it couldn't really perform that good. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check out the video of them going to the Circuit of Americas. There's a sticker right there. Yeah, so this was one pretty serious Time Attack car. So it's got a top stage version 3 wing on it, adjustable of course. Yeah, I absolutely love the stickers on this car. It makes it look really, really nice. So they sell a lot of OEM parts and aftermarket parts here. Pretty much the biggest supplier of Honda parts pretty much in Australia. Plenty of spares here. They do a lot of engine conversions. They can turn it around within 2 weeks. So if you want an engine conversion on your Honda, yeah, just hit up Elusive Racing and then yeah, they'll sort you out. So I heard the turnaround's pretty quick. Plenty of spares here, as you can see. So here's just a couple of customers' cars here. We got a DC5 here. And then we got a beautiful white S2000. Nice engine bay. And then we got a really rare black NXX here. And then we got an EP3 just sitting on the dyno here. Unfortunately, the dyno was broken, so they couldn't hold a little dyno comp, I guess you can call it. So yeah, they were just showcasing this EP3 here, probably a customer's car. So yeah, that's pretty much it for a workshop tour of Elusive Racing and a little quick car meet. So don't forget to like and subscribe guys, tell all your mates, and I'll see you guys at the next video.